Today I'm gonna write a sad song, gonna make it really long, so that everyone can see that I'm very unhappy. I wish I wasn't always wrong, I wish it wasn't always my fault. The finger that you're pointing has knocked me on my knees, and all you need to know is I'm so sorry.